Hey guys, today I'm unboxing a bunch of things for my mastermind program, Design Suite. If you haven't heard about Design Suite, you can check it out by coming to a design bootcamp, or you can kind of see what we do in Design Suite by going to carinagardnercourses.com/Design Suite. It will show you the classes. We have tons of coursework, tons of meetings so that we can make sure that our designers are actually making money. So we love having awards, and I'm going to show you what we have here. Aha! These are our totes. So these actually go to Design Suite Mastermind and Design Suite University. And it has our mantra on it. You might have seen me carrying one of these around in one of my videos. This is great. It's like a canvas tote. It's pretty strong and made of nice material. All right, I have a whole bunch of them. You can see like how big the box is. Lots and lots of them. So you can see. We've run out a couple of times already. So just because the membership has been growing, we even had to, for a minute, not allow anyone into one of the memberships, one of the tiers, just because we were full. So, okay, these, it's not a real unboxing. This is like something I got a couple of months ago, but we haven't implemented yet. This is our badge system. So all the badges come in a plastic baggie like that. And then let me just show you what they look like. I have a few, I think, out of the bag. Yes. But they're embroidery badges. So we like to encourage our designers, that they can learn how to design while making money designing. So by doing that, they have to have a first shop. So we have like a first shop award, a first sale award, a first course award, mentorship meeting awards. So aren't those so cute? So we have 16 or 17, we might even have more at this point. By the way, if you're watching this 2 years later, we might have switched out our badges or have new bags or even have different colors, because we tend to do that every little bit, changing out all the colors and stuff. So what is this? Oh, you guys, I have 2 boxes of these, and I was like, what are these? All right, here we go. So these are heavy. How heavy these are, and I believe these are the badge cards. Okay, let's see. So we have, oh, look how cute these are. Okay, so these are our badge cards. So when we mail these out to our members, we put one of these here and we just staple or glue this to it so they get their award, and it tells them about each thing. The Gardenia Award is our really special award because my last name is Gardner. So the Gardenia is our team voted award. So every quarter we vote on someone in Design Suite that we think has really symbolized and been an amazing designer and great for the community. They have to have it's like the all over award. And so our team nominates someone to get this particular award. No, it's the Gardenia Award is in here. I don't think it is. So it goes on this badge, and it looks like, they have put a couple in here. I'm not sure which one this one is. This is the 5 Courses Award. So these get mailed out every quarter to our designers. They submit for awards, and we have envelopes for them. I'm so excited about these. They're really simple because we put the embroidery badge, which, by the way, the embroidery badges are iron-on, which is really nice. And we tried it, this one is the first sale award, and I can't remember which badge, but every, oh, it's the lily, so the one I was holding up here. Every flower is related to the award for some reason. So for the Lily Award, it says, "You've bloomed, let's celebrate your first sale. The lily is featured in the first sale award, which symbolizes refined beauty. You are certainly an original. Most designers never even make it this far," and that is the crazy truth. So how cute is that, right? If you come into Design Suite, this is a really fun part of our program. We're quite serious about design. I'm critiquing and mentoring and making sure that you're in a good spot. We have all sorts of other coaching and peer-related meetings. So a lot of design, you know, is fun, right? But whenever you're learning a new skill or new craft, sometimes you get bogged down in the details. So we think that by having some awards and knowing that you're making progress, like if you're getting badges, it means you're making progress, then it celebrates all those small wins as we go. This is the one course award, which is the daffodil award. Do I have the daffodils in here? I don't, but I think I showed it to you. So this is the one course award. So I think the rest of this is all the different badges, which we have a lot of them. So it means we have a lot of different boxes, which is pretty exciting. All right, if you want to learn more about Design Suite, you can go to carinagardnercourses.com/Design Suite. We would love to see you in a design boot camp. Our design boot camp makes sure that the right people who understand how we teach, why we teach, and how you actually make money as a designer in the surface pattern and craft industries, this is the way to be doing it. And if you want to learn more about that, you should sign up for a boot camp. They are very inexpensive. We do that on purpose because we want people to understand that there are ways to make money as a designer and in this industry other than physical contracts. And of course we do teach physical contracts as well, but we know the best designers are actually not doing physical contracts first. They are doing digital products online, and we like to talk about that. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Well, you might be seeing some of this on our feed and from Design Suite members all over Instagram and the internet. See you guys later.